Have you been looking for a performance SUV with styling that won't break the bank? Take a look at this 2018 Alfa Romeo Stelvio TI in Alpha White. With BI-XENON HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, gloss yellow brake calipers, aluminum roof rail, dual bright exhaust tips, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 44,000 miles on the odometer, 8.8-inch infotainment display, navigation, rear backup camera, ALFA-DNA drive modes, dual rear charge USB ports, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5661.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.